Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well at your place. Today we will discuss about the sounds of the birds. Let's start with our first bird. I am the cuckoo and I love to sing. When you hear my song, you will know it's spring. I say cuckoo and my voice is best, but I lay my eggs in other birds' nest. Just look at this bird. This bird is similar to this button. Let us play the button. Hear the sound. This is cuckoo. This is cuckoo. Let us go to the next bird. I am the duck and I say quack quack. A little stale bread is my favorite snack. You will find me in rivers, ponds or a lake. Push the button to hear the sound that I make. Just look at this bird and this button. These are same. Let us press the button. Just hear the sound. Quack quack. Which bird I am? I am a duck. Okay, let's go to our next bird. I am the turkey. My tail feathers stand proud. It makes people laugh when they hear my sound. Gobble gobble seems quite normal to me. What do you think? Push the button and see. Let us push the button and see which word is this. Look at this bird. This bird is similar to this button. Let us press this button. Which bird I am? I am the turkey. Turkey. Okay. Let us move to our next bird. I am the pigeon and I talk to all. Stood on tiptoe. I am 8 inches tall. My feathers can be grey, brown or blue. Push the button and you will hear me coo. Let's go. Just hear the sound. I hope you are enjoying it. Which bird I am? I am a pigeon. Let's move to our next bird. I am the goose and my chest stands out proud. When I am hungry, I hiss out loud. I have family in Canada and we were together. You will tell us apart as they have got dark feathers. Just look at the bird. This bird is similar to this button. This button. Which bird I am? I am the goose. Let us move to our next bird. I am the owl and I am pretty hard to find. Look out for my big eyes if you out at night or listen for my voice. It's so hard to miss. Press the button now. I screech just like this. Just like this. This. Which bird I am? I am an owl. I hope you enjoyed it. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and like, share my videos. Thank you. Bye.